Welcome this video. Create a beautiful and functional farmhouse landscape involves blend rustic charm with precise design. A well-planned farmhouse landscape should enhance the natural surrounding, complement the aesthetic and provide space for relax and protect. Here are some ideas to inspire explored for farmhouse landscape. Define the layout. Start by determining with the layout of your farmhouse landscape. Divide the space into zones such as a front yard, backyard gardening, a storm area. Consider part away and divide away that allow easy access to define area with main interest or choosy the ground part, stone, walkway or staircase connect can add a charm touch while to bring functional. Create a welcome interest. The entrance to your farmhouse set the tone for the dress popular frame the door away with pots plant handbrake or climax wind a charm pick fence or a stone well can further enhance a farmhouse appear. Consider add a wood ring or a stone to create a warm